Today, I woke up feeling normal. I'm ready for the day. If there's trades, I'll take it. If not, then I'm okay. Good morning, guys. Let's see. So far, last night I was able to mark up, cleaned up my charts, marked up a few areas on the market that price can possibly get to, and wanted to see it react. Now we're able to actually see the reaction, which is, I guess, right here, came back to retest. This came back to retest right around this area. This broke into this area again. I don't know how I feel about that. And this area is like this. So besides EU looks like, I don't know. I mean, it could still be going on an uptrend. I'm not gonna lie. It could just be doing a pullback here, but yeah, it might still be doing a pullback. It broke this structure down here. That's how I was able to take this trade yesterday anyways, because I was like, you know what, I'm just trust it, my break of structure, and it paid off. So let's say that this is just a retest, and then this is a clear uptrend to me. A higher high was formed. I mean, maybe not as clean, but for sure. So let's see, there's already rejection happening here, and then there was no higher high formed here, but it did break this structure. So also, like, GU is like basically a cleaner version of EU right now. Also broke the structure, and then this can possibly just be a pullback. And GJ is a lot cleaner than EJ. Also, this did do basically like a nice retest of this high. So what am I looking for now? I am looking for a continuation to the upside, sub wise, but if the market structure does break below, and then we get this break right here, then I'll go for sells. Same with this. On the lower time frames, if I see that it goes below here, retest, and wants to continue pushing to the downside, I'll start selling. Same here. So mostly my bias is to buy, just because, I mean, it looks the best to go for buys. So that's going to be my initial analysis, and we'll just wait for that. If I don't see any opportunities, then I'll go ahead and go for sales, maybe. So I'll let you guys know. Alright, guys, so I'm going for a buy now. GJ looks pretty good. It's back at this level, and it's pushing. So let's see. This is a double bottom trade to me. So a confirmation of a buy bias. This is gonna be my first time taking a trade like this, actually, because usually I do wait for this, then this, then this. But the only reason I'm not doing that this time is because just earlier on EU and EJ, I was also waiting for this push, pull, higher high, higher low formation, but it had already made a double bottom, respecting that key level. So then that push happened. So I was like, you know what? I might as well. Well, that's basically the reason why I'm taking this trade now, which is basically a double bottom. So that's another confirmation of an uptrend. So I think now I might be triggered in. Yeah, I'm triggered in now, and we're going for this buy, this 1-to-1. And yeah, I think it's looking good. EJ looks good too, so I think it looks good, guys. So I'll see you guys. I'll update you guys real soon. Um, and it's not like in a crazy range. But yeah. So, anyways, I will update you guys soon. Damn it! I was trying to get this trade live for you guys. Man, I was setting everything up, and then it just literally just happened. So, but yeah, I got a 1-to-1, man. Now we're at 8%. So I was gonna let it run a little bit more, but I told my friends, my Discord friends, I'm not taking any risk or like extra risk until I at 9%. Maybe at 9% then I'll go for like a 1-to-2 or 1-to-3, something like that. But right now I'm just trying to like grind my way into that 10%, man, because yeah, I don't need it. I actually wanted to get into this EJ trade. I think I told you guys earlier. If not, this is what the trade that I was waiting for. I was gonna do this and go for a 1-to-1 here, and I was actually gonna enter both this trade and also GJ. The only reason I didn't is because my rule is that whenever I want to enter a buy, I have to get a confirmation with a green candle. I can't just enter on this red candle here. I needed to wait for a green, and that's the only reason I didn't. But my stop loss, my entry was gonna be right here, and this is gonna be my stop loss. This is gonna be my take profit, and but it blew past that. But I would have been almost there right now. So, I mean, it is what it is. Sometimes your rules doesn't let you get into good trades, stuff like that. But other than that, it's still good. So, guys, that's my trade for this week. This week was very interesting. I actually had a hard time this week because the market, and I think everybody kind of did have a hard time. The market was just rangy and choppy. It frustrated me, and I had four trades this week, and two of those trades hit my break even. One of them got slippage, so I actually lost money. Um, Yesterday I got a trade, and I was a little frustrated with. Now, I made money on that trade, but I was frustrated going into that trade, and then now this one I was a lot more calm and things like that because now I'm seeing market conditions that I like. So I'm learning a little bit more every day. Um, how what markets how markets affect me, and they do affect me emotionally, and sometimes not. I'm hoping not enough to get me to spiral in a negative way, but for sure, like, it affects me, and I've been noticing that. So I want to work on that a little bit more. I want to work on just being able to trade during these market conditions, because now that holidays are coming up, which is something that's concerning to me, I feel like those market conditions are going to affect me a little bit more unless I can grasp what's happening right now and how I can learn from this week. Um, but other than that, guys, we're at 8% now. 2 more percent and we can pass this first part of the challenge. And honestly, I don't even it's been such a like an incredible journey. I told myself last week that if I got to 6% last week, it's basically a guarantee to myself that I'm gonna pass this challenge. And I really thank God for it. I know I haven't passed the challenge yet, but every day I'm so grateful to wake up and be on the charts, because I couldn't do this before. I really couldn't. I couldn't do this a month ago. I really just folk man, when I tell you, I was on a grind for since April till now. And it's been about 6 months, and these 6 months have been amazing. And it's literally only because I put in 100% of the work, 100% focus, 100% dedication to this. money too, because you need to have money to be able to invest in yourself, to learn into yourself, to have more confidence in yourself. You need to invest, and I was able to really invest in my education and take it seriously, because man, the money that we're trying to make is going to change our lives. And I'm happy that I've been able to conquer myself. It's not even about the markets, conquering the markets and understanding. No, it's really about conquering myself and my own emotions and my lack of discipline, my lack of patience. Having been able to conquer that fulfills me so much, that I feel like I'm calm, because I know now that I can actually control myself and be a quick adapt quickly and learn and apply these things that before it would take me a long time to actually adapt to, because I was so hard-headed, and not in a good way. Now I'm hard-headed. Yes, I'm still hard-headed, but in a good way, because now, even if everybody's telling me, it sells, it sells, it sells, I'm hard-headed because I'm trusting my analysis, not anybody else's. My analysis, I'm trusting myself. And I've been able to prove to myself that I'm doing good, and that all I need to do is keep doing this. So guys, the journey is almost over. Obviously, we have the 5% verification process that we still have to do, but God willing, is that'll happen really quick, really soon. All right, so I'll see you guys next week. Perfect end to the week, and hopefully next week is amazing, so that we have some very banger videos, and we finish this challenge. So anyways, guys, thanks for watching. Like and subscribe, and I'll see you next week.